Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you today this cute little almond set that I done. Today I am using Glam and Glit's colours. It's my first time using them, so I did struggle a little bit as you do need to use this system quite wet. Now the colours that I'm using today I will pop in the description box below. They're absolutely gorgeous colours. This is the really nice deep plum purple that I'm using on the pinky finger. Now I am just showing you today the application on 2 fingers, as all the other nails were just the same. So I didn't really want to bore you and the video to run on too long with the same thing. So all I do is ombre the purple with another one of Glam and Glit's glitter collection ones. So it's a glitter mix that's got like purples and yellows and things like that in it, so it looks really pretty. As you can see, it's taken me quite a few beads to get the colour right the way I want it. And I know after a few attempts using these colours, my application will get better. I do know Glam and Glit's powders are strength powders, but I tend to use my colours as a design powder, so I do try and put them on very thin and like painting them on. So this is the colour with the glitter in now. It's really pretty. I don't know whether the camera is picking it up very well. So I'm just ombreing that into the purple. All the colours I've done on this set today, they seem to go really well with each other. I'm also sticking a little bit of angel paper over the top of that one as well. I did prep and prime my client's nails before we started, and I placed a clear bead on the nail as well before we started. Now this gold colour, it's like a yellowy gold and it's got a gorgeous glitter shimmer in it. This is from Glam and Glit's Glow collection, so this does actually glow in the dark green, which is really nice. It's really good coverage as well. These are extremely highly pigmented powders. And you can use these with any monomer as well. I'm using it with CJP's Master Monomer. Okay, so before I move on to the next nail, I'm going to go back and I'm going to cap the pinky with crystal glass. Just making sure my shape and structure is there for the nail. So as you can see, I repeated the same on all the nails, and I did the thumb the same as the ring finger with the gold. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to shade a few fingers with the filing. I tend to file the same each time. I file side walls first, then I do the free edge shaping, and then gently around the cuticles, and then down the bulk of the nail. Just making sure the cuticle area is nice and flush. I have done some videos of swatches of all the colours for the Glam and Glits on some design tips. So I will be uploading them shortly, so make sure you keep your eye out for them. The colours are absolutely stunning in the collection. Okay, so once they're all filed and buffed, I'm now going to go in with a little bit of CJP gripper glue, should I say. And I am just going to place a few stones on there. These stones are from Glitter Planet. They're the normal crystals and opals. There's a mixture of different sizes in the pot, so I'm just going to randomly put a few on the ring finger. And then I'm going to place a few stones onto the first finger there. So this is a quick short video. I just wanted to show you the lovely colours from Glam and Glit. So I wasn't happy with my application, but I know that was mainly because I'm not used to working with such a wet system. I know I will get used to it. I'd just like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you who have watched my video and are following my channel. I am going to try and upload a lot more videos soon. So I'm just finishing off this set now with the CJP's top gloss, and then I will cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. I would love it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. That would be awesome. You could also find me on Facebook. We have a group, Nikki's Nimble Nails, and also on Instagram as well at Nikki's Nimble Nails. On the Facebook group we do regular live feeds. So here we go guys, this is the finished set. I hope you like them. Please give this video a thumbs up, and like I say, don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Just popping some cuticle oil on these now just to finish them up, and then we'll take a look at the reveals. I hope you all like them, and I shall see you again soon. Bye!